Hey the YouTube world, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fantastic. Welcome to the computer channel. Welcome to the very first video of 2020. Yeah, I've been so active in 2020 that I wasn't able to make a single video since this year started. So this is my very first video of 2020. And I got an eBay delivery that just came in. So let's do a quick unboxing. Of course, the very first video of 2020 has to start with a quick unboxing. Otherwise, how can you tell whether it's the computer channel or not? Right. Yeah. So, hope you guys have been well. Hope you guys have been happy. Hope you guys have had a wonderful New Year's Eve and all whatnot. You know. So here it is. Yep. It's an Android figure of Android. So actually this Android is a second Android figure that I ordered. The very first Android figure that I ordered was this one almost like a year ago. So as you can see, this is the original Android green there, Android green, so Google Android green. So this is the actual mascot for Android of Google, and I got this one because they have variety of different Android mascots, you know, very different Android mascots. So yeah, very creative Android mascots. So it's available on eBay and Amazon, and I had to get this one because this was rather fascinating for me because I didn't know this existed. I had no idea that this existed. So these are the Androids Series 3 checklist. So you can collect them all if you want, or you can collect whichever you like. But a lot of people collects them. So, and since I got this green, so the next Android I got is red. Yeah. So I had to get the red one. I don't like the Android designs, you know, the one that are, some of you might like it, but for now I am aiming for the plain one. So this is the red that I got by Google. So this is by Google, this is by Google, clear by Google. So some of the Androids are by you know, artists, private artists, and some are official Android figure. So this is an official Google Android figure. That's why I got it. This is also an official Android Google figure. So I know there's one more that I want to get, and that would be this one, this color. You know, there's one more Android out there, which is this blue color, and I want to get it for my collection. So I'll have the red, the green, and the blue. So tell me how you guys have been in the comment section below if you want, and tell me why some of you have already stopped making videos on YouTube. You know, I really would like to know why you guys suddenly stopped making videos and posting them online. There's a few channels that I really liked watching, but right now I can't seem to get any videos, new videos out of those channels, those potential channels that had the potential to grow real fast. So hopefully you guys will keep in touch and keep in contact with me, the computer channel, because like I said before, the computer channel is gonna make videos, you know, whether or not uh, Google wants it, or whether or not I have an audience or not. Even if it's like one view or zero view, I'm still gonna make videos and still post it on YouTube. So that's the motto of the computer channel. Right. Stay cool, everybody, and stay fantastic. Oh yeah.